everyone, I am Shikha Joshi. Welcome to Art with Joshi. So, you are wondering what we will be making today? Yes, we will be making some finger puppets. So, ready to make these finger puppets with origami? Let's start. To start with it, what we require is we require a sheet of 4 by 4 inches and nothing else, just a black pen and a red pen. That's it. So we just require a black pen, a red pen to make these cute little finger puppets. So ready? Let's start. What we'll do is we'll take the first sheet of 4 by 4 inches. Now we'll keep it diagonal and we will fold it from one corner and we will create a crease. Now making crease are very important. After making the first crease, we'll open it and we'll repeat the same step on the other side. After doing that, we will again make a crease. Right? We'll keep it like this. Now from this corner, from this line, we will fold it in front. We don't have to fold a lot, just give it a fold. We have to give just one fold. Make a crease. We will repeat the same step. We will make one more crease. And we will make a crease again. So now what we will do is we will turn it around. And after turning it, we will fold it just to make sure that this crease is proper. Open it. We got this crease. Now we will fold it to make a shape like this. We'll repeat the same step on the other side. Making crease is very important. Now what we will do is we'll keep it like this and we will fold this side on top. To make sure, fold it properly and just fold it on top. Now what we can see is we got the shape like this triangle with two ears on top. We'll turn it around. Here we have two triangles folded. So we'll open only one triangle. Now this is important. We'll open only one triangle. We'll keep the second triangle like this only on this side. And we'll turn it around. What we'll do is we'll first make a crease here. We'll open it. Now we'll fold it from both the sides. And we will take this inside it. We'll turn it around and make the face. It's still not complete. Now we'll open this for the ears and we'll just press it. I'm opening it for the ears and we'll press it. So our cute puppet is ready, hand finger puppet is ready. Now here is a space, you can put your hand inside and you can talk. Hello everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and if you have not subscribed, do subscribe it. Bye everyone, take care, stay happy and stay safe. Love you all.